Look! Someone's jumping on the LED display. Should we go stop him? Don't worry. This LED display will be used for the XR event. Let's take a look at how we completed it, Tilda. We have divided the LED display into 3 distinct sections: the interior and exterior sided screens, and the floor screen. After that, fixed the cabinets onto the frame. The cabinet comes 3 sizes in interior and exterior sided displays. It is also suitable for any indoor fixed installation. Install the exterior cabinets and modules while installing the interior modules. The hub module features collision resistance, high temperature tolerance, and effectively reduces moire patterns during close-range shooting. Interior screen wall completed. Outerior screen wall completed. Up close, you can barely see the gaps. Floor screen completed. The floor screen adopts the COD process, featuring excellent moisture resistance, impact resistance, and dustproof properties.